Hi guys, I'm Sonika, an interior designer. Welcome to my channel, Coloraza Architecture and Interior Design. We all know that we can style ourselves differently for every occasion, by fashionable clothes, different hairstyles, makeup, jewelry. But what about our homes? Well, we can style them differently too. At Coloraza, we always suggest having more neutral fixed finishes like your walls, your furniture, flooring, which are not easily changeable every now and then. But we always suggest in adding more drama in your decor items like your cushions and all your table decorators, so that you can keep changing them and create a new look every time without digging a hole in your pocket. Today I'm going to show you 5 different looks which I create with my living space and how I dress up my sofa for different occasions. So let's get started. You can create this tropical look for an all year round look. It's soothing to the eyes, very refreshing, and what's better than having so many plants around? You can create this look for those hot summer days. It is very cheery and refreshing. Fashionable and trendy look, the chic look. Great for your girls' tea parties. You can create this look for your night parties. It is very elegant and of course has that oomph factor. So this is a very special look. It's a festive look, especially for Diwali parties. It's bright, it's shiny, just like our Indian festivals. My favorite looks which I keep creating on different occasions. I do mix them up sometimes too. Do let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite. Isn't it amazing that with just simple decor you can get a new look every time? Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.